Another day, another story. Hi there, and welcome to this tutorial on varnishing an acrylic painting. Varnishing your painting can not only protect it from dust and damage, but it can also enhance the overall appearance of your artwork. So if you've just finished an acrylic painting and are looking to give it that extra bit of protection and shine, then this tutorial is for you. First, let's go over the materials you will need. You will need a varnish specifically made for acrylic paintings, a clean brush or roller, and some rags or paper towels. You can find acrylic varnish at any art supply store or online. Before you begin varnishing, make sure your painting is completely dry. Acrylic paint dries very quickly, but if you've used multiple layers or thick brushstrokes, it's a good idea to give it a full 24 hours to dry before varnishing. Now, let's start varnishing. Take your brush or roller and dip it into the varnish. Make sure to remove any excess varnish on the rim of the can or on the brush itself. You don't want to apply too much varnish, as it can create drips and an uneven finish. Starting at the top of your painting, apply the varnish in long, even strokes. Work your way down the painting, using overlapping strokes to ensure even coverage. If you are using a brush, you may want to use a light touch to avoid creating brush strokes in the varnish. Once you've covered the entire painting, let it dry for at least an hour before applying a second coat. You can apply as many coats as you'd like, just make sure to allow each coat to dry completely before adding the next. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can give your acrylic painting the protection and shine it deserves. Thanks for watching, and happy varnishing!